Up for grabs is a striking 1932 Ford 3-window coupe, offered at $40,000 in Freeman, Missouri. This classic hot rod boasts a robust Ford 460 V8 engine paired to a C6 automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch Posey traction rear end, promising reliable horsepower and enjoyment. With less than 1,000 miles since completion, the car's NNN fiberglass body is paired with a metal hood and grille shell and a well-appointed leather interior, even in the trunk. Painted bright yellow and riding on rear-wheel drive, this coupe is in excellent condition throughout and holds a clean title. Such a build makes it an exceptional candidate for collectors seeking a ready-to-cruise showpiece or anyone craving the appeal of a true vintage driver with major modern touches. For those seeking a classic with presence and performance, this Deuce Coupe stands out. Check the link in the description for further details and photos of this remarkable ride. This 1931 Ford Roadster hot rod is a classic gem priced at $20,000, located in Oceanside, California. It features a powerful 302 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. With only 19,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle boasts a clean title and is in great condition, making it an excellent choice for collectors or vintage car enthusiasts. The Roadster is equipped with a 9 rear end and includes a rumble seat for additional passengers. It comes with a convertible soft top and side windows, enhancing its appeal for sunny drives. This professionally built hot rod by Classic Hot Rods in Florida is one of around 1,500 made, making it a unique find for anyone looking to own a piece of automotive history. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a classic that is ready to hit the road or be restored further. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1932 Ford Model B 5-window business coupe is a true classic, offered at $65,000 in Los Angeles, California. It's a like-new, all-steel car with a body-off restoration, retaining its original colors. The 4-cylinder motor, rebuilt by J. Steele of Taylor Engine, features a professionally done 4-port Riley OHV upgrade. The transmission, rear end, and juice brakes are from a 1939 model, while the car has been upgraded to a 12-volt system. With less than 10,000 miles on the rebuilt engine and drivetrain, it's a vintage driver ready to hit the road. The interior, replaced in 1996, still looks new. This one family-owned car is currently registered and comes with a clean title, making it an excellent choice for collectors or restoration enthusiasts. A true gem for those who appreciate classic vehicles with history and authenticity. For more information and photos, check the link in the description. This stunning 1929 Ford Model A truck is a complete Restomod that has been meticulously built over 8 years. Priced at $34,000, this classic vehicle is located at 222 East Kettleman Lane in Lodi, California. It features a powerful Hemi V8 engine, paired with a manual transmission, and has only 4,200 miles on the new roller frame. The truck is in excellent condition with a clean title status. Standout features include remote operational doors and a custom paint job with ghost flames, making it a beautiful piece for any classic car enthusiast. This vehicle is perfect for those looking to own a vintage driver or a restoration project. Don't miss the chance to see this remarkable truck. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1929 Ford Model A sedan is in excellent condition and is priced at $24,000. Located in Brentwood, California, this hot rod features an 8-cylinder 350 Chevy engine paired with a 700R automatic transmission, ensuring smooth performance. With just 5,000 miles on the odometer, it has a clean title and is ready for the road. The exterior is painted in a classic blue, and it sits on a custom TCI chassis with Jaguar XKE suspension. The interior has been newly redone with tuck and roll upholstery, including a headliner and carpet. Scat front seats and a minivan-sourced back seat add comfort. Although there's no AC or heat, this Model A is designed for fun and reliability. Since its completion in the 90s, it's been road-ready, with all mechanical issues ironed out. If you're searching for a vintage driver or a unique restoration project, this Model A sedan is a great choice. The seller is looking for a 32 Roadster and doesn't have room for 2 hot rods. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1929 Ford Model A truck is a vintage gem in good condition, priced at $10,500. With a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it runs on gas and features rear-wheel drive. The truck boasts 49,000 miles on the odometer, with a clean title status. The paint is classic black, and it's been fully upgraded with new chrome, wiring, and 12V conversion. The body is rock solid with no rust, and the running boards are in perfect condition. It's an ideal candidate for restoration or as a daily vintage driver, making periodic trips without any issues. For a well-preserved truck with all the classic appeal, this is a must-see. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This stunning 1929 Ford Model A Tudor Street Rod is available for $24,500 in Madera Ranchos, CA. Its all-steel body is in good condition and boasts a custom paint finish, although the hood requires a touch-up. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful new 302H Ford engine paired with a new C4 automatic transmission. With an odometer reading of just 919 miles, this classic car has been well cared for and features include power disc brakes, air conditioning, LED lights, and a new Kenwood CD stereo. The drop spindle front end and 4-link coilover rear end contribute to its impressive performance. Whether you're looking for a unique vintage driver or a car that offers fantastic restoration potential, this Model A Tudor won't disappoint. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1929 Plymouth Roadster is a classic vintage vehicle in excellent condition, currently priced at $21,000. It features a gas-powered engine and a manual transmission, with approximately 21,000 miles on the odometer. The title is confirmed clean, making it an ideal collector's piece or a restoration project for enthusiasts. The car comes from Bellingham and has undergone an older, complete rebuild, which adds to its charm and appeal. It runs and drives great, and it includes a rumble seat, a unique feature from its era. Perfect for vintage car lovers or those looking to own a piece of early automotive history, this Plymouth Roadster offers substantial potential either as a driver or a restoration project. With its solid build, historical significance, and attractive price after recent reduction, it's an excellent opportunity to own a classic American roadster. Interested buyers are encouraged to check the link in the description for more detailed information and additional photos. This 1929 Ford two-door sedan is a classic beauty priced at $25,000, located in Colton, California. It features a powerful Buick V6 engine paired with a 350 Chevrolet automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth driving experience. With only 700 miles on the odometer, this vehicle is in excellent condition and ready for the road. The car has a clean title and boasts a striking blue paint color. It is equipped with front disc brakes and drum brakes in the rear, along with new wiring and tires. This vintage sedan is perfect for those looking to restore a classic or enjoy a unique street rod. Don't miss the chance to own this remarkable piece of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1930 Ford Model A Classic has been completely restored and comes with a 327 Chevy Corvette engine and automatic transmission. It has a clean title, a custom paint job, and 8,900 miles on the odometer. The vehicle is in excellent condition and features a V8 4-barrel carburetor, beautiful interior, and rear luggage rack. The car has just been serviced and is currently registered, making it an appealing option for a vintage driver or restoration enthusiast. With its restored engine and stunning looks, this car offers a unique blend of classic style and modern upgrades. Check the link in the description for more information and photos.